been a dream of mine for a long time. I never thought it would happen, but when it came reality that I had a chance to come here, I said I'm going to fulfill my dream. You know, my goal is now, you know, I'm so much at peace with where I'm at, is that, you know, come in and, you know, I want to win a championship. You know, if it takes for me, you know, coming off the bench to do that, I'm willing to do that. So that's pretty much as far as it goes. I'm very confident. You know, I've always taken fly balls in the outfield. I never stopped. You know, I've always went out and took balls from left field, right field, whatever the case may be. But obviously, you know, taking it in practice is different in the game, and that's going to take getting reps and cardio and being able to withstand the day-to-day running and things like that. So once I get acclimated with that, I'll be fine. I'm fine now. You know, it was a long process that I had to endure because I chose to play through you know, the injury, and you know, now I had a whole off season where I didn't have to get surgery. I was able to go through my physical therapies and then go to the weight room after, then go to the baseball field after that. So I put in more work than I ever put in the off season, so I feel pretty confident about it. I already know what my role is, and so I'm content with that. And if I'm on the field, you know, I don't look at, you know, how big a field is or how small it is. I just go out and play my game and let the chips fall where they may.